Hello, my name is Lance Atkins. I'm a region parts manager for Kloss Parts based in Columbus, Indiana. And today I want to take a couple of minutes and go through parts stock and show you how to locate after sales kits and options in parts stock. So as you can see, this is the main page of parts stock, which hopefully most of you are familiar with by now. As you know, we do have a web-based version of parts stock and a standalone version. Today I'm working with the standalone version of parts stock. Um, when you begin looking for after sales kits, you want to go to the manual search portion of this page, this home page here. Select miscellaneous under product family, miscellaneous again under product line, and then highlight retrofit kit under model. And then it gives you kind of this dummy serial number, this ZN001. Highlight that and then select catalog. And it'll bring you to a page where you have your different machines that you can choose from. So today let's look up kits on a forage harvester. And then I'm going to select Jaguar. You also have the option to select the different headers that are available as well. And then once I select the Jaguar, I have all my different serial number types of machine that have been created over the years. So today we're going to select a 497. And once I do that, it gives me a complete listing of all of the after sales kits and options that are available to me in parts doc for this type 497 machine. I can do several different things once I'm here in terms of searching for my kit. I can select the part number field. I can sort by part number here, put it in either ascending or descending order. I can also do the same with the whole good code, which the whole good code is what matches up the building of the machine. So a lot of times you may be presented with a whole good code, or some folks call these build codes or sales codes. And if you are presented with this number, you can sort this list by build code as well. So let's choose an option here. I'll sort this by part number. And we'll find one, try to find an example that's pretty common. So um, we'll go with an extension kit. This is a pretty common add-on to a Jaguar. So I've selected this part number 7316620. The corresponding build code or whole good code is an EO70240. So if somebody did give you, let's say a sales or management person at your dealership level, or maybe you saw this in a piece of literature that was listed as an option for Kloss, but you didn't have the part number, but you had the build code number as an EO70240. You could still sort your field and locate that EO70240 and see that the corresponding part number to order for that option would be 7316620. So once you are here on your part number, you can select the conditions icon. I always recommend selecting the conditions icon regardless of whether you're in this after sales kit list or just in a general drawing. Any part number that you see that orange icon next to, I encourage you to open it up and see what information it says. So in this particular case, this is telling us that this is a premium line spout extension. It gives us the widths that it goes with. Also, again, reinforces the whole good code number. We can also hit this S icon. It's a supersession icon. So this tells us that when we order this 7316620, it actually supersedes out to a different part number, 22014280. So that's what we're going to get when we order this part number. Other things to notice when you're looking at kits in this list, you'll see this icon here kind of looks like I don't know, like a calculator, I guess. When you open that up, it's more often than not going to give you a whole good code number. So it's indicating that there's a part number for hardware a lot of times for these options, but there's also a code that you need to order as well. So if we take this part number here, for example, the autofill, and open that up, it's telling us that the software code that we would need to order for autofill is a 145520. And it's always mandatory that you provide the serial number of your machine whenever you do order a software code from Kloss. So please keep that in mind. So this is the kit list, pretty easy to get to. Hopefully this video has helped you out a little bit. I will also reiterate that we do have some literature that's available in partner.net that you can access anytime. Info Center under partner.net, and then under management tools under the parts page. And we do have some parts reference guides that you can access here through management tools that has a lot of after sales kit information available for combines. So I just wanted to point that out as well. And with that, I'll end this session, and thank you for taking the time to watch our little tutorial here on after sales kits.